Intranet from ShortPoint. Every website has text. This is the first and direct form of information we present on our intranets. Yet how we display and arrange text can impact the user experience. With ShortPoint, you have limitless access to custom fonts and typography. Our design elements' practical features elevate the value of text content. This is a page created with ShortPoint. The first item that captures your attention is this hero section. You have large enough text to signify its importance and smaller text for more information. You also see a button that asks you to complete an action. We added text sliders that can quickly show different content without taking up too much space. These are a few of the commonly used text elements. I am excited to show you how to use these design elements in this tutorial. We start with an all-rounder, which is the text design element. We'll then look at inserting buttons and links to encourage interaction on the page. We will learn how to use alert and info for notifications, and we will add text sliders, the Textshow and tickers design elements. Let's dive right in. Text is one of the basic design elements of ShortPoint. It inserts text on your page and allows you to configure its style and appearance. It comes with a rich text editor. Here, you can select the font to use, customize its size, set its color, and apply different formats. You can assign text as headings. You can also insert other content formats such as a table or an image. Click on the ShortPoint icon to access a wider range of elements that you can insert within and between lines of text. These are the inline design elements. Here, you can use a range of emoticons, add a tooltip, you can add a button, and so much more. To quickly edit a text design element, double-click it. After you finish editing, click outside to apply your changes. There are many other ways to customize the text design element. Access them by opening the Settings window. In the Content tab, you'll find the same editing options we went through. You can add shadows, adjust line settings, and change link styles in the Design tab. You can edit the element paddings and margins in the Spacing tab. You can even add a different set of spacing values for controlling how the page looks on other devices. If you want some interaction on your page, two design elements are frontrunners to achieve it. You can use a button or a link. Both immediately bring your users to view a different page, get them to respond to forms, or do a specific action. Here is a standard button. You can add one line of text or add a subtitle when necessary. It is important to add a link where you want your users to be redirected after clicking the button. You can also add an icon. To customize the appearance of the button, go to the Design tab. You can change the color of the button and its text content. You can adjust its size or make it as wide as the column. You can also choose where the link will open when they click the button. By default, the link will open in the same window. If you need to redirect users by using a simple hyperlink, you can use the link design element. It is particularly useful when you have to add a link in unlikely spaces on your page. Here, I want users to have the option to view the full source of the content. I'll add a link, enter the link title, and insert a URL. You can choose to add an icon to make the link pop out. In the Design tab, I can update the color of the link text and change the linking option. The button and link design elements are pretty simple but very powerful when used in the right places on your page. Now let's discuss other scenarios where you can show text while adding features that enable users to take action and engage with it. Here's an example of text delivered as a callout. This one serves as a notification or an alert. Info and alert are the most used design elements to present text in this way. Let me add an info design element in this row. Info allows you to highlight important messages or announcements on your intranet page. From the Settings window, you can edit its content. Notice that you have the standard ShortPoint text editor to style and format your text. You also have the option to replace the icon by selecting a different one from the drop-down. Switch to the Design tab to update the background color. You can also add a close button that allows users to dismiss the element. The Alert Design element has a different purpose. It is designed to notify an alert. When adding an alert, you can format its content and add an icon. You can also update the background color and add a close button. Though what's most useful is that you can enable the Remember Dismissed Alerts feature. It will prevent dismissed alerts from appearing again for the user when the page reloads. Overall, a better user experience when dealing with alerts and warnings. One thing to note is that both Info and Alert Design elements are content holders. This means that you can insert another design element within them. This effectively expands the kinds of content you can share. For example, you can add an image, a video, or a list inside an alert. What if you have a series of text content and you do not have enough space on the page? This is where sliders that cater to text come in handy. These are the Textshow and Tickers design elements. In Textshow, you can add a list of items you need to display. Each item will show for a few seconds and slide to the next one. It cycles through content automatically by default. It has left and right handles that let users navigate its content. To put this together, you will need a title or description for each item. You can redirect users to other pages by adding a link. In the Design tab, you can customize the text, border, and background color of the Textshow. You can also adjust its height. Tickers are commonly used to show frequently updated content such as news and reports. It is most suitable for short, fast-paced updates that don't require headings. It has a title and requires a single line of text for each item, which you can add a link to. With Tickers, there are many ways you can customize its appearance and how your users experience the element. You have several styles to choose from, for example. You can make the items slide faster and make the transition slide up instead of to the side. You can also adjust its background and text color. What I've shown so far are different ways for you to add text directly into the design elements. Is it possible to pull text from another source automatically and display them on the page? The answer is yes. ShortPoint Connect is integrated with the design elements we discussed today. By setting it up, it will pull information from your data source, automatically update it, and show the content on your page. We have a whole Academy course discussing the basic steps of how to establish a connection. Please check it out to learn about this feature in detail. Let me show you an example of a connected info design element. This is connected to a SharePoint list where the company announcements are added. The connection shows the announcement that appears at the top. Here is a Textshow that is connected to the same SharePoint list. This time, it is configured to show 5 of the latest announcements. Are you ready to start using the best design elements for text? We hope you get great results now that you know the different options you have to display text on your intranet pages. We have more ShortPoint design elements to show you, so please jump with us to the next lesson in this course. For now, have a great day and thank you for watching.